Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do short goddess pop smoke braids. This look was actually inspired by Glam by Mary on YouTube, and throughout the video I'm going to show you how I braid and part my hair, but you have to stay on to the end to see the final result. Okay, once we took out our hair, we're going to part our hair into parts for the feed-ins. Previously, I sectioned my hair in half, and each half is going to be split into 4 pieces. Now, by the way, I'm going to make a lot of weird faces as I'm doing my hair because I don't know, maybe I'm just tender-headed overall, or I don't know. Braiding your hair is way different than having it done. With the Xpression braided hair, I take 1/3, split it in half, and I place it on top of my door. Each piece that I place on there gets gradually bigger for the braids. Now with the Freetress water wave hair, I take a piece and I split it in 2, and then I cut that in half. So when I start braiding with the hair, I place one piece on top, in the middle, and at the end before the braid, not in front of it. And what I mean by spaces is that between the braids themselves is going to have a lot of space. So I use the water wave hair to fill in that space and to make the style look more like fuller. And as I'm braiding down, I take a piece from the door and I feed it in the hair. And each piece I take up it gets gradually bigger, so it gives that feed-in effect. watched 2/3 of my video. Thank you for your watch time. But if you watched this far and you haven't subscribed, okay, I'm gonna give you a few seconds. When it came to cutting the ends, that was difficult, and when I burned the ends to stick the hair together, it didn't work. So I used a hot iron and it did me well, and I used a lot of elastic bands and hair jewelry to secure the ends as well. Now I'm about to apply mousse onto the curly hair, which is optional. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you like it. Honestly, when I saw Glam by Mary's video on this hairstyle, I had to try it. Her channel is in the eye icon above. With the parts, it was fairly easy for me, but then again, I was doing it on myself, so when it came to the back, it was hard to see. Pretty easy. I did this in 1 hour and 30 minutes, and it only required 2 packs. Now, if you like the video, and share with one of your friends. Comment down below what type of video you want to see from me next, and my social media and the supplies are down below in the description. On Instagram, I do weekly polls to determine my next video, so you can totally participate in one of those. So without any further ado, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, I'm looking cute in the middle of the night. Ooh. Okay. Okay. To the end.